Happy New Year and welcome back to a Junk Journal with Me episode. My name is Bree from 1134 Press, and if you're new to this channel, we share bookmaking, journaling, and papercraft inspiration every Sunday and Wednesday. Like you, I'm in the process of laying out my bullet journal and decorating cover pages. And in this Junk Journal entry, I wrote out a letter of intentions for myself for 2021. I folded the letter into a cute little envelope following Paper Kawaii's tutorial. Keep watching to see how to create your own envelope letter of intentions, and I'll also link Paper Kawaii's tutorial in the description below. Before I write my letter, I'm creating and gathering pieces of ephemera for my journal page. Sometime about a week ago, I came across this massive antique shop and found so many vintage paper goodies. One of those things were an old piano player roll. I was attracted to the worn and aged paper with cool little slits, but after I took it home, I learned that those slits are actually instructions for a special piano to read and play. So for the spread, I stamped some cling stamps on the piano roll for vintage-looking labels. After I picked out an assortment of ephemera I wanted to use, I typed up a letter to myself expressing my intentions for the new year. I'm not a big fan of resolutions. I feel like the only thing I'm consistent at is being inconsistent. So when I set certain lifestyle goals for myself, I always fall short. So instead, I like to set intentions instead of trying to achieve a goal that's unrealistic for myself. So, for example, instead of saying, I want to be an early riser and wake up at 6 a.m. every morning, I might say, I want to make the most of my days through planning. The reason why I think waking up at the crack of dawn is something that I should aspire to is because I want to accomplish as much as possible. It's unrealistic for me to do that. My work schedule is all over the place, and I have other responsibilities that would make me a very sleepy and cranky person to be around if I was trying to wake up at 6 a.m. every morning. So instead, I set the intention of getting the most of my days. But anyway, I digress. So I wrote out these little notes to myself and printed it on brown vellum paper. I knew I wanted an envelope on this spread, but a traditional one didn't feel right for this entry, and I was very happy to stumble across this origami fold. I also didn't want to write directly on the page because I think there's something about seeing your words in print and in Courier font that feels official. I hope this video gives you inspiration to create an intention page in your journals, or that it'll give you an idea on how to showcase a letter or a larger sheet of ephemera or image. Let me know in the comments what are one of your intentions for this year. One of mine is to be more present and open to my community of crafters. I'm not completely sure what that will look like in the new year, but I am loving connecting with you all on all the social platforms. So we'll see you on Wednesday with a new bookmaking tutorial. Bye!